Hello, welcome back. It's your boy Jerry. Let's get started. You want to go fast to go slow? One, big truck, whoop, boop, boop. No brush, whoop, boop, boop. Heel, not the knee. And it'll make a lot of sense with the music. Yikes, you a clown. I like to honk, little whoop. Right here, you. Here, you're just gonna like put your hair behind your right ear. Boom, boom, yikes. This is like a Generation Z reference when they go, yikes. You're probably Gen Z. It's all good. I'm like a zillennial, I think is a term. I don't even know. I'm 26 years old. Whatever that means. Back down. Who my phone? I'm struggling. Ugh. Music will help you. Help you, help me.
I keep 2 dimes, yeah. Walk up to a bad bitch, be like, I think you.
That made me dizzy.